Meanwhile, the Mampong Apɛsɛmakahene delivered a goodwill message at the historic ceremony, pledging to engage chiefs and traditional leaders of Akuapem Mampɔn to promote the Abibitumi agenda. He further expressed profound gratitude to the organizers on behalf of his subjects and sub-chiefs. Other participants also conveyed their goodwill messages.
Yen 2026 Affirmed. You better say, you do better. Now, between Yema, affirmed. Other both do, I will grab on us. It's me making sure say, you be part of 2026, you know. Yen Affirmed, you will be better. Now, Yama, Ghana, and I said, the man from say, you will really. Yɛde na bɛka yɛ ho a ɔbɛkyerɛ yɛ ebibi nneɛma efe ebibi man nfa so a yɛbɛnya ɛwɔ so nti bɛda mu nyinaa si sɛ ntusu the whole Ghana wankɔ baabi a Mampong ana otusu ana ɔba nso ama ɔbia ɛwɔ kurom a nti on behalf of the Traditional Council the people of Akuapem Mampɔn yɛda wase.
I would also like to thank Chairman Hampton for joining us and taking this initiative to open this important chapter of the Black Panther Cubs here in Ghana. So the only thing I want to say is that you have our support, and we on the ground working with the BPPC will lend our support in any way that we can to make sure that we nurture the new generation of Black Panthers and freedom fighters.